What's going on, folks? Rob, the Oddball RV. So it's actually been a while since I've been in the shop here. I've been working on some different projects. Right now, I got this, trying to get this angled here. Working on a little bit of woodworking. So I did a lot of woodworking before I kind of picked up the metal side and the Odysseys and everything. And the wife wanted me to build a Murphy bed for one of her bedrooms, and I was supposed to build it last year, didn't quite get it built. So I'm on orders to get this thing finished. So I haven't been able to play with the Odysseys. They're tucked in the corner there. So mostly what I've been doing now is just got the table saw set up, got a bunch of plywood and everything, and just been working on the Murphy bed. So that's why the videos that you've been seeing have been a little more different. Not me working in the shop, but just kind of more writing videos and things like that. Now, that said, I'm working on a couple cool projects, still working to put them together, hoping they're going to come to fruition. But we're going to get some neat content coming out for this year. They're big projects, really big, and I think they're going to be really exciting. So stay tuned, bear with me. Hopefully the Murphy bed, that part, and all this stuff down here, hopefully that'll be done in another couple of weeks. Otherwise I'm going to get in trouble, so I got to wrap that stuff up. Then we're going to get the Odysseys back into the middle of the shop, and I got a few little projects I'm going to do with that. Got some exciting parts that are coming, so we'll be doing some videos of that stuff when it does get here, and of course we got some more writing content coming. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the clips that I do have coming out, and stay tuned because we got some really cool stuff coming up for this year. So once again, Happy New Year, and we'll see you guys in the next video clips. What's going on, folks? Rob with Oddball ORV. So today's an exciting day. We actually got the engine all back together. We showed that in all the previous clips. If you haven't seen those, you can check the rebuild process out. But today we're finally back to the point where we should have a running engine. So this is going to be a short video clip. All I'm going to do is just fire it off. I'm not going to rev it really high or anything like that. I just want to see if she runs okay. I'm going to take it real easy, kind of break it in. So with that, here we go. Let's see what happens. All right, so that was it. I was started right up. I thought it'd actually have to pump some fuel into the carburetor and everything, but pretty happy so far. I'm going to do a little bit of checking on everything. I might put another scope down the spark plug hole just to see, you know, does everything look clean? Is there any issues that I should be concerned with? But other than that, man, it's back together. So we're getting ready. We got our trip down to Derek's place down in Bakersfield for our West Coast rally. That's what I've been rebuilding this thing pretty much for. Really looking forward to that. Hopefully going to meet some other people, some Odysseys, and have some fun. And then I do have a quick trip to Pismo. Hoping to get a lot of videos and stuff like that. We'll see what all plays out. These GoPro cameras, they're pretty fickle. But anyways, thanks for watching all the clips, guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.